What's up everybody, it's Jeremy from Weldtec Designs, and today I have another killer van for you. Yes, that is right. You know, I love building vans and motorhomes, and this is gonna fall in the category of both. Hey guys, this is your first time here at the channel. We are Weldtec Designs. We are the creator, the inventors, and the masterminds behind lifting vans and RVs, and we've been doing this for more than 25 years. So we do a lot of vans and RVs, and if you're looking to get a better ride out of your RV or van, you need additional ground clearance, you want to run larger tires, or heck, maybe you just want to put bigger shocks on your F53, well, you are in the right place. Make sure you check out our website. I'll put a link down below. But for now, we're jumping into this RoadTrek, and this thing is awesome. These are one of my favorite Class B motorhomes, and the reason being is that I absolutely love the Chevy platform. I think that you get a ton of power out of this 6.0 gas. It's awesome, but what's really awesome is the suspension. It's independent front suspension, which means improving the suspension on this is fairly simple. And normally these RoadTreks sit really low. Could you imagine this sitting about 4 inches lower? Gosh, that would be horrible. So there is a 245/75/16 tire on there, and you can run that tire stock on most Chevys or RoadTreks. However, you can see the additional ground clearance here, and that's because we're running that 3-inch Weldtec Designs lift spindle. We also did run a hub spacer on the front of this to give it a little bit more clearance. No coil spacer, but we added the Fox shocks to the front of it. Now, what's really nice about this kit from Weldtec Designs is if you wanted to go additional height, maybe you want to go to that 265/70/17 tire, you can add the coil spacer to it. The shocks are still going to be good. And then as we go to the back of it, the big benefit with that 5-inch kit is going to be the ability to run a progressive leaf spring. That's huge in the overall drivability and the ride of these RoadTreks. I mean, it makes a big difference. In the back of this particular one, and you're gonna notice that this is a 135-inch wheelbase. That means from center line to center line of the wheels, it's 135 inches. They do have these also in a 155-inch wheelbase as well. So in the back, we kept it really simple, a set of Fox shocks and a set of lift blocks to even this out. So what's really nice about this now is you can see this whole vehicle sits really nice and level. Another thing is too, you have the spare tire on the back of it. You're still able to run that stock spare. However, we have run a 285/70/17 on the back of that as well. But gosh, and let me make sure I tell you guys, so they do make a 170, a 190, and a 210 in the RoadTrek. This particular one is the 170, and that's because I believe because of that short wheelbase. But this thing is awesome. I really like how it sits right now. If you want to see a full tour of this video, of this particular RoadTrek, you want to see the inside and out, head over to Big J's RV Reviews. I'm going to be doing a full walkthrough tour of this thing and showing you all the cool things as well on the inside. But as for Weldtec Designs, that's it. That's a simple lift kit on this RoadTrek. And it's pretty affordable. Again, I'll put links to all the products that we ran on this. If you have any questions, that's what that comment section is for down below. Leave a comment, tell me what you love, tell me what you hate, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.